Welcome to this meditation focused on the throat chakra, or Vishuddha chakra. The throat chakra is located at the base of the throat and is responsible for communication, self-expression, and truth. Today we will work with breath, sound, and two powerful hand gestures, mudras, to activate and balance this energy center, helping you express yourself clearly and authentically. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position, either cross-legged on the floor or sitting in a chair with your feet flat on the ground. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Take a moment to settle into your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling the breath rise from the base of your spine, and exhale slowly, releasing any tension in your neck and throat. Continue breathing deeply, each inhale filling your throat with cooling, soothing energy, and each exhale releasing tension and inviting openness. Now, bring your attention solely on your throat, the location of the Vishuddha chakra. As you breathe, imagine a bright blue light glowing here. With each inhale, feel this blue light expand and grow stronger. With each exhale, imagine any blockages or stagnant energy dissolving, clearing the path for authentic self-expression. Next, we'll use a rhythmic breathing pattern to enhance the flow of energy in the throat chakra. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, and hold for 4. This pattern helps regulate energy and calm the mind. Continue to breathe in this way, feeling the air flow through your throat and purifying your communication center. To activate the energy of the throat chakra, we will now chant the seed mantra HAM. This sound resonates with the Vishuddha chakra and promotes clarity and truthful communication. On your next inhale, chant the mantra HAM as you exhale. Let the sound resonate deeply within your throat. Repeat this with me 3 times, or as many times as you feel comfortable. Begin. Inhale. Now hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Last one. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Great job. Now let's bring attention to the hands. We'll start with Shunya Mudra, which balances the element of ether and helps clear energy blockages. Fold your middle finger down to the base of your thumb and lightly press the thumb on the middle finger. Keep the other fingers extended. Rest your hands on your knees. Breathe deeply here, feeling the connection between your hands and the energy of the throat. Allow the cooling, purifying sensation to spread throughout your body. Let's try this 2 rounds. Begin. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Now let's move into Granthita Mudra, which is associated with opening the voice and freeing communication. Interlace your fingers, extending your thumbs upward, and let the tips of your thumbs touch gently. Rest your hands near your chest, focusing on the throat area. Feel your voice and communication pathways opening up with every breath. As you hold this mudra, visualize your throat fully illuminated with blue light. Imagine yourself speaking clearly and truthfully without fear or hesitation. With each breath, feel more empowered to express your true self. Let's try this 3 rounds. Begin. Inhale. Now hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Last one. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. As we prepare to close this meditation, take a moment to thank yourself for dedicating time to clear and balance your throat chakra. Know that whenever you need to express your truth or communicate effectively, you are now ready to proceed to intermediate throat chakra meditations. When you are ready, slowly release the mudra and bring your hands to your heart in a prayer position. Take a final deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. May you leave feeling more open, expressive, and connected to your truth.